Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance the quality of your video outputs on the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot app on your device. And once you open it up, you may open up any of your old video projects from your draft or create a new one. After opening up your project, you may start making up your edits. And when it's time to export your video, you can tap on the export button and you will see various different options that you can change. Tap on resolution and choose the highest resolution available, and within the frame rate make sure to choose 60 fps. Now MP4 is the standard format, so make sure this is selected, and now when you export your video, it will be exported in the highest settings available. Alternatively, from the Inshot main menu, you can tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on video settings to change the default settings for your video export. After choosing your desired option, you can go back and continue with your project, and you will now notice that the export settings have been set to the one that you chose right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enhance the quality of your video exports on the Inshot app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.